right. I hate coffee.
We got everything we need right here.
So I saw this post a few months ago, and I thought, this looks amazing. The only problem was the location tag. It said Jenga Rock, and I looked in Arizona, and there's no place called Jenga Rock. But I kept seeing post after post after post of this amazing rock formation, but no one could tell me where it was. So I kept looking. And that's when I found it. East Pocket Knob. So I knew the general location, but I still couldn't find the rock formation I was looking for. Then I came across this obscure travel blog. And they talked about this secret trail. A secret trail that led to the rock formation that I have been seeing on Instagram. So today, you might as well call me Captain Barbosa, because I'm going to the end of the world. Alright, Goku and I switched out drivers because I wanted to film, and we still got about another hour of this rough road. But this is absolutely beautiful countryside out here. Definitely not a well-used road though. Unless you're like going out. You know, maybe it's like you're going out to do some stuff. Like, you know what I'm talking about. So I managed to get some drone footage of us driving, but the DJI app for the drone has been acting really weird all weekend. So hopefully when we get to the end of the world, I can use the drone. Kind of sounds funny though, like when we get to the end of the world, it's like the apocalypse and I'm just using a drone and still vlogging. Here we're at the end of the world. Not the trail, the actual end of the world, you know, just people are like fighting in the background. So we just passed a horse trailer that was parked on the side of the road. Are there horses in this trailer? Is that someone's horse trailer? Did they abandon this horse trailer? What's going on with this horse trailer? I need to know. Like, this horse trailer is in the middle of nowhere. It's a Forest Service road. And we're a good 10-15 miles in here. So what is that horse trailer doing out here? So we're on like our 6th access road on this journey. I don't know how many access roads we're gonna take today, but if you think you know, go ahead, post a comment how many access roads you think we're gonna take. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys. It's a lot. I can guarantee you it's gonna be a lot. You already know it's over 6. Or wasn't, I wasn't really counting. We're gonna have to go through and count on Google Maps. Watch, we get there and we just go to Google Maps and there's a way quicker route. It's just like 5 minutes back to the main road. I'd be so mad. Just took a pull off and we are unsure if this is the right pull off.
You have arrived.
Okay. I don't really believe that. All right, after an hour and a half on rough roads, we're now at the end of the world.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side.
All right, so we've crawled along this cave for about a quarter of a mile and the tower is right here. So we're gonna try to go out as far as we can, but there's no really good way down there. So we're just gonna see how far can we go. Hopefully I don't die on the way down. If I posted this video, that means I didn't die. You have the red rocks of Sedona right over here, contrasting with these white rocks up by Flagstaff. Can't beat it. Wish it was a little bit more clear of a day. We did take the drone up, get some really cool shots, photos, but it's not as clear as I would like to see. It's also incredibly cold. If you guys are gonna do this, make sure you pack some warm clothes and be ready to drive on bumpy roads for a good hour and a half. I also wanna say that if you guys are gonna climb down to the point that Goku and I made it down to, right next to the tower here, please be safe. It is a very treacherous climb. A lot of sheer cliff faces, loose rocks, all of that. And if you fall, it is a long way down. But if you guys are determined to get out here and see this place, it's definitely worth it. Rain's picking up right now, so I'm gonna head back up the cliff. Got quite the climb ahead of me. I'll see you guys back up the top. All right, I'm gonna take one last view at the end of the world. Then we got about an hour and a half drive back to Flagstaff. Man, that's a view. Number 102, drive to the end of the world. See you guys back in Flagstaff.
Into the black hole.
And we are back at the hotel in Flagstaff. I'm gonna go ahead and get this footage unloaded onto my computer, get to editing the vlog from yesterday. If you like what you saw today, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you have an item that you think should be on my bucket list, go ahead, leave a comment below, tell me what it is, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Into the black hole.
Let's try that again.
My coffee looks terrible.
Yeah, it does. I got it all over my hand and my shirt on the last take. I managed to get some drone footage, but the DJI app has been acting. Oh, I just hit there. I just hit the side of the car when I was vlogging.
Power lines.
We are deep in this forest. How deep are we?
Balls.
I wasn't gonna say that, but apparently we're balls deep. And I am back in Flagstaff. I'm gonna go. You get that. I'm gonna do that. And if you have an item that should be on my bucket list, or you should think that should be on the one thing, just passed a sign that said 1-lane bridge. I'm excited. We get to see a bridge. Oh, I just saw the bridge. It's not that great. Man, this road is really rough.
What?
You're supposed to say something. You're supposed to be like, okay, it's not. Where's Captain Jack Sparrow? This looks nothing like the movie.